Hey everyone, it's Jess from ColDesi, and today I'm going to take you through the steps that we took to decorate this sublimation dog bowl. So for this project, we're just going to use a few products that you can find on colemanandcompany.com. So first here we've got some heat-resistant gloves. We have beaver text print sublimation paper in the size of 11 by 17. We have a ceramic dog bowl. Then we also have the dog bowl wrap, and this is made specifically for dog bowls that have a diameter of 7 inches. And then we're also going to use a conventional oven. So in my Sawgrass Print Manager software, I cut the artwork in half because we don't have a 22-inch size sublimation paper. You'll see both on the same sheet. And you want to make sure that you have your settings to ceramic mug since you're using a ceramic dog bowl. So as you can see here, we do have a full wraparound design for our dog bowl, and I already trimmed these and I taped them together using heat tape so that it'll make it easier for me to wrap it around the dog bowl and so that it creates a seamless design. So now I'm going to show you guys how I'm going to wrap my design around my bowl here, and we're going to use heat tape to secure it into place as well. So I am holding it nice and tight so that it doesn't shift when I end up putting the dog bowl wrap on it. And then I'm going to use one long piece of heat tape here, and I'm going to tape this down. For this next part, we're going to secure the wrap around the dog bowl. And the way that you can tell which side is the inside of the wrap is by the sticker here. So what I'm going to do, what I find easiest, is to take the dog bowl and place it right on the wrap. And the purpose of this wrap is to create pressure for the sublimation printing. Now this next part might be a little bit tricky. It is tight, and it's going to secure like a seat belt. And you'll know that it's secure when you hear it click. So, just like that. So now we're over at our oven, and we're going to place the dog bowl into the middle rack here at 400 degrees for 15 minutes, and you do want to make sure you wear your heat-resistant gloves for this. So time is up, and now we're going to remove this from our oven carefully because it is really hot. We're going to remove the wrap from the dog bowl, and you want to be really careful when you're doing this so that it doesn't shift the transfer. All right, so now this is off, and we're going to peel our transfer off carefully. Make sure you're still wearing your gloves because, like I said, this is still really hot. And now we have our finished dog bowl. Sublimation printing isn't only for t-shirts. You can find tons of sublimation-ready blanks and supplies online. So if you're ready to start a sublimation business with the Sawgrass Sublimation Printer, visit colemanandcompany.com and live chat with one of our pros. Thanks for watching.